Have you ever been towing and looked in your rearview mirror to see your boat on the railroad track 6 inches in the air? Well, I got a solution for you. A Shocker airbag hitch. Check it out at shockerhitch.com.
Using Shocker hitches gives a much smoother ride without the jerking you normally feel. The Shocker receiver mount hitch has been tried and tested by many customers over the years. It is available in the 2 or 2.5 inch shank and is rated to 12,000 pounds towing capacity and 1,200 pounds tongue weight. Shocker's Gooseneck Surge Air Hitch is a miniature air suspension unit that you can adjust for the best ride and load control. The Shocker Gooseneck Surge Air Hitch has a unique forward and backward action to filter out jerk. Learn more at shockerhitch.com.
Hello, I'm Bob Sagan, president of Shocker Hitch. Today I would like to talk about my Gooseneck Air Hitch, how it works, why it works, and what it will do for you. Our Gooseneck Hitch is designed to fit a variety of trailers. Horse trailers, stock trailers, flatbeds, even some farm equipment, seed tenders and so on can benefit from the use of our Gooseneck Hitch. There's a number of factors that go into what makes a trailer tow nice and what makes a trailer tow jerky. Some of these are the axles. Stiff axles obviously tow worse or have more jerk than soft axles. The spacing of the axles, the spacing from the truck, and there's a number of other, the roads obviously have a huge effect. So the worse the condition, the more the hitch will benefit. First off, we need to talk about the forces and the jerking that you feel. Normally this comes from your trailer. When your trailer hits bumps, it creates a resistance and a jerk. You will feel this in your back and your neck. What our hitch will do, it will flex back and forth, absorbing those jerks, giving you a much smoother ride. I will show you how this works with a diagram and the line of force so it all makes sense. By using this illustration, I would like to explain how the jerk starts and how we filter it out. When your trailers hit bumps, they create a resistance, a buck that you feel here that comes through the hitch ball. This slows down or jerks on your truck. What we've done is created, our hitch goes back and forth and helps filter out that. So the line of force that comes from your trailer wheels to your hitch ball is what we filter out. Oftentimes when you're towing trailers, you'll feel this resistance here, a bobbing action in the front of your truck. By using our hitch, it will reduce that bobbing action and reduce the action or the jerks that you feel inside of the cab. Let's talk about what this hitch can do for you. First off, a smoother ride, less jerking. If you're on a long trip and that trailer is constantly jerking you, your neck is going to get sore, your back is going to get sore, and at the end of the day, you're going to be sore and you're going to be tired. Let's talk about the effect that towing a trailer has on your truck. When your trailer jerks, your truck feels that. It has a computer, a very sophisticated computer that can sense the loads. And when it jerks, the computer says we're pulling a heavier trailer, let's give the engine more fuel. This affects your fuel mileage. Along with the computer in your truck is the cruise control. The cruise control tries to maintain a constant speed. When your trailer jerks, it reduces the speed in your truck. The cruise control reads that and says, let's give the truck more fuel, let's give it more throttle. As soon as that jerk or surge is over, the cruise control says, well, we're going to have to slow this thing down. So it slows it down, constantly moving the throttle back and forth, creating a cycle of accelerating and decelerating. Our action video will show you how easy it is to hook up with the funnel effect of the ease guide coupler and the actual shocking effect of the hitch while towing a trailer. Please note. Thank you. thank you for your interest in Shocker Hitch. If there's anything we can do to help, even if it's just a phone call and talk about your towing situations, we're here. Please give us a call. Thank you.